Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you the form change event. And more specifically, it is the event that is triggered if anything changes on an input. So it's technically, a form input change. And you could have inputs without form. You generally don't in most applications, hence why it's a form change. Okay, so we need to select the input first. So we'll do $. And I'll just do input. You can select like some sort of text input as however you want. Dot change, and I'm going to pass in a function, and now I am going to say console.log it has now changed. So if I save that, reload, and if I click on it, I press that. Okay, that's weird. So that is not being detected at all, because that should be picked up as soon as that change, as soon as we something is written. One second, let me take a look at this. Actually, there. You know what? Let me just demonstrate. I think it'd be better for this demonstration without the form because it's got an action at the moment. So get rid of that. And I'll reload. This code doesn't really matter. You won't really do anything. And if I click enter, it doesn't do anything. If I click J and I click enter, it says this now. So if I type something in and I basically try and submit this input, I click enter, it'll say something has changed. We could go a step further and say console.log, and I'll actually let's just do it inline of a $this dot val. So I'm basically getting the value of this, and so when I do that, it prints out the value. If I keep clicking it, because no value has changed, even when I move this, but if I press a space, the value is actually different. So it keeps track of the value. So if you want to be able to detect when the value has changed, this is the event for you. If you have any questions, feel free to put me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.